So hello everyone, today I'll be sharing you a special gift with you guys. So I read this book, it's called The Cryptocurrency Evolution, and it's basically everything that you need to know about cryptocurrency, starting from smart contracts to cryptocurrencies to tokens to mining, cloud mining, hashing, protocols, everything that you need to know. If you are a beginner or you're somewhat advanced that have a little bit more knowledge in the cryptocurrency space, you can also find this book useful. So here it is. I'll put the book in the description below if you want to check it out. Basically it's a book that covers the general knowledge about cryptocurrency. So as I mentioned before, everything from the basics to a bit more advanced stuff. And yeah, so it also teaches you how to make money off cryptocurrency. So from which coins to stay away from what is a Ponzi scheme. So as you already guys probably know, Bitcoin has crashed, people have lost their money. So or even if you haven't heard about Bitcoin, so you can Google it. It's one of the the biggest Ponzi schemes that YouTubers promoted since last year. So guys, just stay away from that type of Ponzi schemes where they offer you a 40% monthly returns of your initial investment. That is complete BS. And yeah, just stay away. If you want to I would say better to educate yourself. So this is the book that I read. I really like it. It covers all the fundamentals and history about Bitcoin. It's overall a nice book, but the most important thing that it teaches you how to make money off cryptocurrency. So it's not only a general knowledge wise and educational wise great book, but it also teaches you how to make money of it. So there's a really good advice that I like, is that well, it's a common advice among all the cryptocurrency community, is that to invest in the projects that have a solid background of past experience and performance. So as coins like Ethereum, Stellar, Ripple, all those coins that had already had time to develop themselves and to some extent scale a little. So yeah, so it's Cryptocurrency Evolution ebook, and I'll be linking this book in the description below. It's a really great book. I really like it. If you get the book, if you read it, comment in the section down below. Tell me how you like it, because I really liked it. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you're interested in trading cryptocurrencies, join my crypto code club in the description below. See you.